Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce data usage while accessing the FAFSA portal, follow this quick guide to optimize your connection and save mobile data. Step 1. Before accessing the FAFSA portal, connect to a Wi-Fi network whenever possible. This prevents using your mobile data plan for completing your financial aid application. Step 2. Open your web browser and navigate to studentaid.gov to access the FAFSA portal. Use a lightweight browser like Chrome or Safari that manages data efficiently. Step 3. Log in to your FAFSA account with your FSA ID username and password. This gives you access to your financial aid application. Step 4. Disable automatic image loading in your browser settings to reduce data consumption. Most browsers allow you to block images or set them to load only when clicked. Step 5. Clear your browser cache and cookies before starting. This ensures the FAFSA portal loads fresh data and prevents unnecessary data transfer from cached content. Step 6. Avoid opening multiple tabs or windows while working on FAFSA. Focus on one section at a time to minimize data usage and improve loading times. Step 7. Download any necessary documents or PDFs to your device before starting your FAFSA application. This prevents repeated downloads that consume data. Step 8. Complete your FAFSA application in one session if possible. Returning multiple times requires reloading pages and data, which increases overall usage. Step 9. Use the FAFSA mobile app if available, as mobile apps are often optimized for lower data consumption compared to full website versions. Step 10. After submitting your FAFSA, log out and close your browser to prevent background data usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.